Have you seen what's happening with Pi Bank? A trusted and verified source has recently described it as a foundational element of governance within the Pi network's growing ecosystem. I've been mentioning this for a while. Pi Bank isn't just a vision for the future, it's already operational and beginning to shift the landscape of decentralized finance. What we're witnessing is not merely a new feature or application, it's the beginning of a major transformation in how the Pi network works, how value is managed, and how financial power is distributed. For those who have been holding Pi coins and wondering about their future usability, how Pi would eventually convert into fiat currencies like dollars or euros, this is a significant development. Every new feature launched by the Pi network brings us one step closer to real-world financial utility. Pi Bank is not just about sending and receiving tokens. It's about making those tokens usable, valuable, and secure within a governance system that prioritizes community control and transparency. This moment marks one of the most pivotal shifts in the network's history. If you're a pioneer who believed in the long-term vision of Pi, what's happening now could completely reshape how you understand the ecosystem. This isn't just another update. It's a massive leap forward that confirms the project's commitment to building a decentralized economy, one that doesn't rely on traditional financial institutions to validate your worth or your wealth. Across the globe, whether you're watching from the US, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, Indonesia, Kenya, or elsewhere, this announcement is a shared victory. It's exciting to witness the result of years of development and tireless innovation. The Pi network's mission to make cryptocurrency usable by ordinary people is being realized step by step, and the role Pi Bank plays in that transformation cannot be overstated. Pi Bank is far more than just a digital wallet. It's a central engine powering the Pi economy. This platform manages everything from simple transactions between users to complex operations involving partnerships with global institutions. Through Pi Bank, we now see advanced governance models in action, such as smart contract automation, permission-based financial control, transparent voting on system updates, and asset security that meets enterprise-level standards. What sets Pi Bank apart is its deep focus on trust, compliance, and scalability. It's engineered to meet international regulatory expectations while preserving the core principles of decentralization. Features like Know Your Customer, KYC, and Anti-Money Laundering, AML. Compliance are intelligently integrated, ensuring Pi network can function smoothly even in jurisdictions with strict financial oversight. At the same time, these processes are implemented in ways that protect individual privacy and prioritize user autonomy. The introduction of smart tools like multi-signature approval, secure escrow systems, and traceable asset movement brings traditional banking sophistication into the decentralized world without compromising the values of open finance. Whether you're a freelancer handling microtransactions or an institution managing large-scale digital finance operations, Pi Bank offers the structure and support necessary for long-term participation in the Pi ecosystem. And we're already seeing Pi's practical value through Pi Booster, an innovative service that allows users to spend their Pi on mobile data and essential digital services. This is especially transformative for people in countries where access to traditional banking is limited or overly expensive. Booster allows users to bypass old systems entirely, offering fast, low-cost access to connectivity, a basic need in today's digital economy. The reaction from the community has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising its speed, ease of use, and real-world utility. This shift from Pi as a theoretical asset to Pi as a tool for everyday life is what really sets this ecosystem apart. Booster proves that the Pi network is not just creating technology for speculation, it's building tools that genuinely improve people's lives. By offering services that meet actual needs, Pi is making itself indispensable to a large and growing community. Looking ahead, the Open Mainnet phase is expected to further amplify this momentum. Thousands of decentralized applications, dApps, are being developed to run within the Pi ecosystem. These apps will cover everything from gaming platforms and barter exchanges to financial tools for microloans and savings. And all of these will need to be governed, monitored, and integrated responsibilities that fall squarely within Pi Bank's expanding capabilities. As institutional partners begin entering the Pi space, the network must offer dependable infrastructure for transactions, auditing, compliance, and governance. Pi Bank is being built with the robustness and flexibility to handle this. Whether you're a small cooperative saving group in a rural area or a global remittance company serving millions, PiBank has the systems in place to support you. At the heart of it all is the idea of governance, not imposed from above but created by the community. PiBank enables voting on policies, budget allocation, DApp approval processes, and much more. Unlike traditional financial institutions where key decisions happen behind closed doors, Pi Network is opening up its governance and giving power to the people who actually use the system every day. And that's not just a technical achievement, it's a philosophical shift. This is how we break away from centralized models that extract value from users and instead build systems where users create and share that value. With PiBank, the Pi Network is demonstrating what responsible, community-driven financial innovation looks like. Not just in theory but in practice. As we edge closer to Open Mainnet, the significance of this development becomes even clearer. PiBank isn't just a nice-to-have, it's the core structure that will enable Pi to scale securely, grow responsibly, and remain governed by the community. It is the financial and governance backbone of everything that's coming next. So, to every pioneer holding Pi, watching and waiting, this is your moment. The pieces are falling into place. PiBank is here. Pi Booster is live. The ecosystem is expanding. Now is the time to stay engaged, stay informed, and keep building alongside millions of others who believe in a decentralized future. Share this news with others, get involved in the governance process, and help shape what comes next. This is more than a crypto update. It's a movement. And it's only just beginning.